Make your paper crafting dreams come true with the iCraft Pixie Tape and iCraft Pixie Dots from ThermOWeb. iCraft Pixie Tape is a light tack tape that holds securely and removes cleanly without tearing. It's 1 inch wide and comes with 20 yards of tape. To use Pixie Tape to match up stamps and dies, tear a piece size for your project, trying to avoid touching the adhesive side with your fingers. Place the die over your design, then press and rub the tape firmly on top, ensuring good contact. After you run it through your die cutting machine, gently peel the tape back on itself from one corner of the strip. The tape may be used more than once until it no longer sticks. Pixie Tape also works great with stencils. Secure your stencil with tape, making sure to press it down firmly. After you stencil the design, gently peel back the tape. You can also create quick layered embellishments. Just arrange your die cuts and apply a few strips of tape to hold things in position. Then flip it over. Add your favorite iCraft permanent adhesive to the back and adhere it to your project. Gently peel away the tape and you're finished. A quick press of Pixie Tape can also gently lift away any excess foil from intricate details on toner printed designs. It can also be used for holding smaller pieces of foil in place for multicolor foiling techniques and to keep small pieces of paper in place on a paper trimmer or securing materials to a cutting mat. The tint also makes the tape easy to see against white cardstock. Use it for all kinds of masking techniques, from watercoloring to ink blending. Just seal your tape to the paper well and get crafting. Pixie Tape is excellent for holding paper in place on a light box or work surface for drawing, coloring, and hand lettering. The tape peels away easily without leaving a sticky mess, keeping your tools clean. Pixie Dots are easy release, removable dots created to allow you to temporarily secure gift cards, stickers, or other removable items to your projects. Pixie Dots measure 1/4 inch in diameter and they're double-sided adhesive, all on a paper liner with 225 dots per row. They can be used to temporarily hold paper in place when using a stamp platform, applying other mediums, or blending inks. They remove easily without tearing paper and won't leave a sticky residue behind on projects. To use Pixie Dots, unroll the end of the paper liner to reveal an adhesive dot. Holding the roll with one hand, place the liner over the back of your item and press down on the pixie dot using your thumb. Holding your item in place, slowly peel away the liner to expose the adhesive. Then press the item to your project. To remove the pixie dot, gently roll or peel it from the surface. Pixie Dots also allow you to add elements to dimensional surfaces like box and bags, even upright cards during the design phase without sliding off. Complete your collection of removable adhesives with the iCraft Pixie Tape and iCraft Pixie Dots by ThermOWeb.